In this video, we are building and flying the 10-minute wonder created by our customer, Roger. He sent us the design and dimensions needed to build our very own plane. To learn more about Roger's plane, check out the PowerUp community hangar at poweruptoys.com/hangar. I flew the 10-minute wonder on a windy day and was absolutely stunned at how well it flies. Roger said he can fly this plane for over 10 minutes, which is amazing because that actually exceeds our battery capacity. Here are the dimensions of the 10-minute wonder. You'll be able to find this on his post on the community hangar. We recommend you use Maker foam found on our website or dollar store foam as Roger used. The materials you'll need include the PowerUp 4.0, its installation kit, and Maker foam, which are available on our website, and assorted crafting tools. First, you'll need to cut the width of the foam board to 10.5 inches. After doing so, make 2 marks 4 inches from the bottom of the plane on each side. Those we will use for the wings later on. To create the elevators, you will be cutting a 3.5 inch by 3 inch piece in the bottom middle part of the plane. I needed to use Maker foam to extend the plane to 9 inches, so I used packaging tape on one side to hold it down, while I used hot glue and filled the hole in the intersection to connect the 2 pieces, always cleaning up the hot glue as I go. Now you will mark the nose of the plane. Its width is 0.75 inches and should be 4.75 inches in from each side. You'll then connect each end of the nose to the 4-inch mark on the same side. This cut will create the wings. Another thing to remember is the point from the center of the nose to the center of the cutout piece is 6 inches. This allows space for the PowerUp 4.0. Now we'll cut out the rudders at a width of 2 inches and height of 3 inches. We're going to draw the marks on the plane before we glue down the rudders. The bottom point of the mark should be 1.5 inches from the sides and 1 inch from the bottom. The top point should be 1.5 inches from the side and 3 inches from the bottom. Now you have your line for where you will place each rudder. There isn't a specific degree to which the rudders should be tilted, so I just rotated them about 15 degrees outward. Now to bend the elevators, you can use a pencil to create an indent about 1 inch from the bottom, and then you can just bend them upwards. They should be bent about 10 degrees upwards. Now using the PowerUp installation kit, we will install the vertical connectors to the PowerUp 4.0 plane. You'll want to make sure that the longer side of the vertical connector is facing downwards. You should move the vertical connector to about 1.5 inches from the head of the PowerUp 4.0. Instead of cutting out holes in the plane, I just poked the vertical connector through the foam, and it worked pretty well. Then to secure the plane, I used packaging tape over the body of the PowerUp 4.0. Then through Roger's recommendation, I cut out a scrap that's about 0.25 inches thick and inserted it into the bottom of the vertical connector. Not only does it make the plane more secure, but it also helps with the center of gravity. I glued it in to make sure it was secure. Now we're gonna go fly it. PowerUp's new community hangar is a place where users can submit their plane designs and their instructional videos from their YouTube. It'll give people in our community a chance to show off their awesome designs and a chance for them to try out other people's designs. Submit your plane today at poweruptoys.com/hangar.